Homerun, a publicly traded corporation on the Toronto Venture Stock Exchange, with the ticker symbols HMR, recently announced the signing of a very important Memorandum of Understanding with several key organizations in Brazil. A central focus of the MOU is the installation of 2 new facilities in Belmonte, a silica processing plant with an initial capacity of 120,000 tons per year, and a solar glass manufacturing facility capable of producing 365,000 tons per year. Key highlights from the Memorandum of Understanding include the donation of a 60-hectare land area in proximity to Homerun's high-purity silica resource within 30 days for the development of Homerun's silica processing facility and the solar glass manufacturing facility. Granting of tax incentives for optimization and operation of Homerun projects. Expedited licensing, permitting, and priority approval flow for processing and project documents. Commitment of continuous and safe natural gas supply from BahiaGás. Improvement and paving of local roads providing access to donated area. Technical and professional training, education, fundraising with a focus on strengthening the Homerun projects in Belmonte and generating regional knowledge and technical training. Formalization of a fund aimed at the development of education in the region and surrounding areas. Generating approximately 500 direct jobs, 2,800 indirect jobs, and up to 1,000 temporary jobs during the construction phase, with an investment of up to 1.8 billion Brazilian reals for the development of Homerun's facilities. These projects are intended to establish the entire value chain, from mineral extraction to high-value-added final products within Belmonte. The goal is to maximize both socioeconomic and environmental benefits for the state of Bahia. Brian Leaners, CEO of Homerun, commented, "We want to thank all our partners at every level, from the Municipality of Belmonte to the state government of Bahia. The team at Homerun has achieved another major milestone to the benefit of our stakeholders and the people of Bahia. First, our unique resource, and now the land, infrastructure, and services to take that resource to the production of solar glass and other in-demand HPQ materials. We look forward to the day when the facilities on this land are providing best-in-class solutions into both the domestic and global marketplace. I want to personally thank Antonio Vitor, our country manager, for the huge amount of time and energy that has gone into nurturing this transformative partnership. We encourage you to read the full release on our website at www.homerunresources.com. Thank you for watching.